Do you want to be a more connected dancer, a more connected performer, or just avoid injury? I'm going to go through some really simple ways to be connected to your core so that the rest of your movement can be more expressive, more controlled, and just you can do it for a lot longer without getting injured. Let's start laying down. And I'm just going to take my hands out of the way so you can pay attention to my torso. In Pilates, we call this our powerhouse. But to begin with, we are just going to inhale, filling up our lungs, and exhale without initiating any muscle movement. See if you can just enjoy a bigger, expansive breath. And exhale, allowing that oxygen, that movement within your body naturally caused by your lungs filling up, to just move the skeleton. As I inhale, I allow my diaphragm to contract. My belly lifts up and gently I just go into the tiniest tilt. And then exhale, everything surrenders, softens, almost like a hammock. 2 more. Exhale. Last one. Now take your 2 fingers on each side and find the little rainbow shape of your hip bone. We're aiming for a neutral pelvis. If I glide my fingers toward, they should be nice and level. If I had a bar here, it would stay level. Now, let's just play with tucking our tail and arching it. So if I was to tuck my tail in between my thighs, see how if these bones had like a light, it would be shining this way. Then if I take them to that neutral place, the light would just shine straight up. And then if I was to stick my tail out, see how my lights would point this way. So neutral. And then as I tuck, they're going this way. And neutral. And then if I stick my tail out. So we're finding that neutral place. Your tailbone, that's right here between your bum cheeks. You feel that tailbone. I want to actively press the tailbone in toward whatever's beneath you. So I'm sending my tailbone down. For my body, it feels like a tiny arch. Everyone's a little bit different with your skeleton. So for me, it feels almost like a little arch. If I lift my arms up, you can see that my ribs are a little bit flared. Now watch what's going to happen. I'm going to keep my hips in this neutral space with my tailbone reaching. I'll inhale. Then I'm thinking of lifting my pelvic floor muscles. So it's just like a little lift here. Then my belly button draws back toward, through my organs toward the spine. Then I'm going to breathe into the back of my lungs. And then I want to soften the ribs toward my hips. And notice how my tailbone never moved. The tailbone stays. I can release everything now. And then I have that teeny tiny arch. Exhale, I lift the pelvic floor. Belly reaches through my organs to press my spine in toward the mat. Breathe into the back of my ribs. Exhale, soften the ribs and reach your ribs toward your hips. Inhale, release. We're going to add on. Let's bring our feet together this time, toes slightly apart in a little Pilates V. And again, I'll have my arms over my head so you can see. Inhale. Pressing my tail into the mat, lift the pelvic floor. Belly draws in, presses the spine toward that mat. And then immediately soften the rib cage. Breathe into your back. Exhale, holding all of those connections. Go ahead and reach our arms into a first position. I don't want you to lose any of this. We open, exhale, open, exhale. As you inhale and open, breathe into your back. Don't flare the rib cage. Exhale, 2 more. Exhale, open, exhale. Glide the arms up, 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 up into fifth. Open. Sweep in front. Up, 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 up to fifth. Open out to the side. Sweep. Let's reverse. Open out to second. Sweep the arms up, 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 up. Keep everything connected. And to first. One more. Open. Sweep it up. And in front. And then lower. So nice. Let's bring our arms back up, keeping all the connections. So nice. And we'll float the right leg up into a little arabesque. Attitude. Silly me. Gliding up. And lower. Other side for 2. And exhale, lift. And lower. Last one. Exhale, lift. Really feel the connections in your lower body. Extend your legs long, 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 long. Reach your arms back. Inhale, sweep your arms in front. Lift your head, neck, shoulder blades. Pause. Lift the shoulder blades up. Inhale. Exhale, belly draws in and up. You can grab your thighs. Hollow the belly. Come up, 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 through. Imagine you're reaching over beach ball. And then come up nice and tall and lower those arms. This would be a wonderful exercise for you to do a couple times a week. The goal is when you're moving to train your muscles to hold your skeleton in place. So then it doesn't take as much energy to do the dance choreography, to do the performance, whatever it may be. But if you're always moving from a disconnected place, that's so much more exhausting. Also, that's how we get injured, how we might pull muscles or tear ligaments. So this is just a really great way to start to feel those engagements, and then we take it up to standing. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.